Some high school graduates go to work, some go to college. This CoMeT student is doing both. He's gaining real experience, making real money, and creating a real future. CoMeT stands for Consortium of Machining Education Training. The program is built by Gadsden State, fueled by industry, and designed for students like you. 2 days a week, CoMeT students are in class, leveling up their knowledge. The other 3, they are on the job, earning while they learn, apprenticing with real industry pros. As a CoMeT student, you'll become a highly trained precision machinist in less than 2 years. You'll learn to turn raw materials like metal, plastic, and high-tech composites into precision components that keep industry moving, using lathes, mills, grinders, and some of the most advanced CNC machinery in the game. This isn't just school, it's a launch pad. Applications for CoMeT are due in the spring. Classes start in the fall. After CoMeT, you'll be trained, in demand, and ready to earn serious money for a lifetime.